Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers, and today is the third lesson of our interior design to complete interior design tutorials. So we are going to talk about how you should ask, what questions you should ask to your clients to get a better result of in your design. So let's see the questions, and through these questions we are going to make a design brief. With that design brief, that is going to help us to make a what you call a mood board. So we'll be studying about mood board in the next episode, but today's episode is all about how to deal with the clients. Okay, so let's see. So first question and most important question is, what is your budget? Okay, budget is very important, but in our lecture today we are not considering budget much, because we can take it as our client is our client has enough money to spend on this project, so you are free to do whatever you want in this, because this is just a project, just like that, a project we are not thinking. But in actual scenario you have to take care about budget, and budget always comes first. Then what time they want the work to be finished, these are the two important questions, and how much work they have. Like, they cannot give you an entire house and ask you to get it back in like 2 months complete house, a huge house. So that won't happen, right? You guys require a lot of time if everything is there. Then next question shall be, how much is the right price? Like, if few people love to spend on heavy things, few people love to spend on accessories, few people love to spend on other stuff. So what is the budget you are having for each item? Like for furniture, how much, what amount is right for you for your flooring, how much you are going to spend on your false ceiling. So what is the product brand you are going to use? So if they have some specific brands like IKEA or some particular brand from which they want to buy furniture, or do they want to join in the shopping, or it's all on designers? And secondly, remember this, guys, always, okay, if it's a commercial project it's okay, but if it's in most cases it will be residential projects, and residential projects there will be 2-3 people, whole family members sitting, and everyone will be having different opinions. So it's your responsibility as an interior designer to get exactly right thing what they want. Okay, and you have to really take care about everybody's taste in the residential interior design. Okay, then you shall ask questions like, so why do you use this particular space for? Like, if this room is what exactly is your work in this place, or if it's a office and all, and what exactly do you do here? Do you watch movies, or do you sit together for talk, or do you so all these kind of questions regarding their everyday routine. Okay, their age, every person's name, age, their hobbies and activities, it's important for interior designer to ask. Okay, then what color do they like, what style? By style most of the people will get confused. Okay, if they don't like any particular color, do ask them, because you should not put that color in their in the room and all. And most of the people won't be having any idea about style, so show them for some photos. Okay, so few people might be very traditional, so I want some traditional home, so you can get old tiles, you can get traditional kind of tiles, or you can do traditional designs in the walls. So all these things have to be specifically asked before you design, and before you do a design brief for your client. Okay, then and at this point ask them if they have any particular picture like that, photos or anything. They have Pinterest pin board and they want something that sort of thing in their in the room or house or anywhere. So please collect all kinds of photos. If they are not having any, please show them some different styles, like this is art deco style, this is this style, so this one is modern style, this one is contemporary style, contemporary British style, so Indo-Western style. So show them these styles and ask which one they want. Okay, and ask about their hobbies. What do they enjoy doing most in indoors? Few people may be like, I love to hear the music, or few people may be like, I love to dance. So you should have enough space for that person to dance. Few people love gymming in the home, so you should have enough space to adapt their equipments. Okay, so this question of hobbies and what do they love to do and in the indoors is very important. There will be people who don't love to go in kitchen. There will be people who love to go in the kitchen and cook. So people who love to go in the kitchen need everything sorted. Okay, then you should is there any specific requirement? Like for example, few people will be very passionate and about certain things. Okay, you have to ask them. And not only this, be their good friend. Ask them everyday routines they are having, so they'll get a better understanding what do exactly do in a day. So they will help you accordingly, so they can find a better solutions for your interiors. Okay, then create a project brief with the whatever. Take a notepad. Whenever they answer, write it down. Then with the whatever answers they give you, make a project brief. With that project brief, move on and make a mood board. Okay, this is how interior design projects you should start. So let's start our project. And when I did my project questionnaire, this whole thing is called as questionnaire, and my client was a single person, so as I'm taking it for a single designer, and my client is a graphic designer. She's a freelancer. Yes, she's a freelancer, and she needs a living space in it. She needs a bedroom in it, and she loves soft seatings, and she loves geometric shapes as she's a graphic designer. Then she loves to watch movies and web series on comparatively larger screens. Then her favorite pastime is on big screens. As I said, she loves geometric shapes and using minimalistic approach, because she is a designer. She knows few things about design, so she said me, I need minimalistic approach, and she needs certain kind of these concepts which are used in graphic design, or you can say it in any design, any visual design. So she wants contrast, harmony and hierarchy, these sort of things in her indoor space. Okay, and she also has certain requirements, like she loves to sit and work on the bed. She needs a table particularly made for the bed. Then she also needs one working table in room as well, and bigger working table in living room. Then her friends will be frequently visiting her place, so she needs good amount of some good amount of space for them to sit on. And she needs storage item for her craft material. She loves to do DIY things and all. So when she said she loves to do DIY things, she's more of a artistic kind of person. She loves different things, not like common design. So we have to take care of all this in mind. So this is my brief I created for myself. You guys can create your own brief, and we'll come up with different sort of mood boards in next class. You can mail me those mood boards. I'll be happy to help you. But before that, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video, share the video as much as possible, and we'll be going to learn a lot with this series. Thank you.